Welcome back to Agio's Fire Pit Support series. Today, we'll show you how to get your new fire pit ready for outdoor use. Before we start, please read through your Agio Fire Pit user manual thoroughly, and as always, please exercise extreme caution around open flames with special attention to young children and pets. So you've already picked a spot in your outdoor patio area. Next up is getting it assembled. And heads up, it might take 2 people, so grab a partner and let's get moving. First thing we need to do is unpack your fire pit from its box. If you'll remember from our last video, we need to take it out and make sure we have plenty of clearance surrounding the perimeter and above your fire pit to keep everyone safe. So we've got our nice level spot here in the backyard, away from flammable objects. Now it's time for the fun part. You want to place your fire pit top in such a way that the holes align with the tabs right here on the base. Get your bolts, place them inside the holes, and tighten them with your Allen wrench that's included in your parts here. Now they might look different depending on what fire pit model you've purchased. These tools here were included in the type of model we're putting together today. After you get the bolts in place, this is a good time to install the battery you need to power up the igniter. You're going to do that by opening the tank door here at the base of the fire pit. That's where the control panel is. Next, you'll unscrew the igniter button here until it comes completely off. And then, that's where you'll see the sleeve for your battery. Put your battery in there, negative side first, then just put the igniter button back on by twisting it nice and tight. Your fire pit will come with fireglass beads. Here we have some colored fire beads. So we're just going to pour these right into the burner pan and make sure it's covered evenly, being sure to avoid the ignition well, which is this rectangle box we have right here. And then you're good to go, all set up and ready to connect your liquid propane tank. Follow along with Agio's Fire Pit Support series, and we'll show you how it's done.